forget everything you know about prawns. Because once you taste this crispy golden perfection, there is no going back. In just minutes, I'll show you how to make restaurant style crispy prawns right in your kitchen with the ingredients you already have. First, I'm going to marinate the prawns. I'm adding red chili powder, turmeric, salt to taste, roasted cumin powder, garam masala powder, ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves, and lemon juice. Mix well and leave in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Place the bread in a food processor or a mixer grinder. Pulse until fine crumbs form. Now your fresh breadcrumbs. I am preparing the batter for coating the prawns. In a medium bowl, add corn flour, besan, salt, red chili powder. Mix well using a whisk. Now add some water to make the batter to be slightly thick. Now coat the prawns with this mixture. Spread breadcrumbs on a plate. Coat each marinated prawns with it. Dip each marinated prawns into the batter, coating it evenly. You can also freeze the prawns at this point. Heat a kadai with oil on high heat. Enough oil to deep fry the prawns. Fry them one by one. Deep fry these prawns in hot oil till golden and crisp. Fry the prawns for 3 to 4 minutes, turning the prawns regularly using a slotted spoon. Once cooked, take the prawns off the fire using a slotted spoon and drain all the oil on a paper towel. Now fry the remaining batches. If your screen didn't crack from that crunch, your taste buds definitely will. Try it out and let me know how crispy did your prawns get. Drop in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.